Are you encountering an issue where the Wi-Fi calling option is missing or not showing on your iPhone? This problem may arise due to network issues, carrier settings, or incorrect configurations. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with effective solutions to help you restore the Wi-Fi calling feature on your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check if Wi-Fi calling is enabled. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Cellular. Tap Wi-Fi calling. Toggle the Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone switch to on. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to enable Wi-Fi calling. If this feature is missing, follow second process. Solution 2. Update carrier settings. Carrier updates can resolve connectivity and feature issues. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, tap About. If an update is available, you will see a prompt to update your carrier settings. Tap Update to install the latest carrier settings. If there is nothing to update, go back, tap Software Update, update the latest software version from here. Solution 3. Check your carrier's compatibility. Not all carriers support Wi-Fi calling, so it's essential to ensure that your carrier does. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, tap Phone Apps, find out Wi-Fi calling. If Wi-Fi calling is not available, contact your carrier to check if they support the feature. Solution 4. Reinsert SIM card and use a different SIM card. Removing and switching a different SIM card can resolve network issues. Power off your iPhone, use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to eject the SIM card tray. Remove the SIM card, wait a few seconds, then reinsert it with a different SIM card to see if that works or not. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can resolve network-related issues. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap General, tap Transfer or Reset, iPhone. Select Reset and then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. After your iPhone restarts, check if Wi-Fi calling is working. By following these steps, you should be able to restore Wi-Fi calling functionality on your iPhone. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.